Grace. Okay. All right. How about somebody reads this out loud for us? Okay. Elin.
Make a lemonade drink. How much concentrate does she make?
Let's go ahead and set this up. What are our units? How much concentrate does she use? She uses 1/8 as much concentrate as water. So what are our units going to be here, you guys? Mateo? 8 what? 8 units, what, concentrate or water? So you guys, when you make lemonade, you got like maybe the juice can and you open it, right? And then you add a bunch of water. So that's what we're talking about here, concentrate and water. So we've got 2 ingredients. Okay, so which ingredient has 1 unit and which ingredient has 8 units? Ainsley? Yeah. And then the water has how many? Good. Okay. That's a beautiful bar model right there, you guys. If I can say so myself. Okay, let's go ahead and setting this up. Says how much concentrate does she need? Are you guys taking off?
All right.
Okay. You're not going to hang out, Gracie James?
Nope.
Okay. Thanks for being student teachers. Good job, you guys.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. What now what? I have a number there. What do I do with that number of 720 milliliters? Alex.
Pretty sure it's the total.
Yes. So where should I put that on my bar model?
Oh, shoot, figure like 8 graph.
80.
Oh.
Yep. Show that the 720 milliliters applies to all of the units. Okay. That's what you were going to say, right? All right. So how many units total do I have here? Elijah? Okay. I've got 9 units equaling 720 milliliters. All right. What do I do here to figure out what 1 unit is? Annie? Yep. We're going to divide both sides by 9. Okay. And 1 unit is going to equal 80 milliliters. Nice job. And that's the answer. Pretty easy, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. All right, let's go back real quick. For the sake of the recording, Bill and Grace did a great job, but let's go make sure we have notes down correctly, okay? All right. So we'll just go through these really, really fast. Although I think you guys really got it. I just want to make sure we've got this recorded. So find the amount of dietary fiber in 40 ounces of soy milk. So 1 unit, right? We said 1 unit, 8 fluid ounces equals, where's the fiber? There it is, 2.4 grams. Because we're finding the dietary fiber in 40 ounces and we look at the nutritional label over here and it says that dietary fiber, there's 2.4 grams in 8 fluid ounces. All right, so we're going to multiply times 5. So 5 units is 2.4 grams times 5. So how many grams of dietary fiber was in 40 fluid ounces of milk? It's 24 tenths times 5. What was the answer on that one? Alex? Good job. Was it?
Yes.
Okay. So 12 grams. Awesome. Okay. And then we completed the table. And did you guys notice too the pattern here? We multiplied times 2, so we should multiply times 2 to get here. And then we multiplied by 3 to go from 8 to 24, and then times 4 to go from 8 to 32, and times 5 to go from 8 to 40. Do you guys see that? So we should do the same thing over here. So 2.4 times 3 is what? 2.4 grams times 3 with what? To fill out the 24 fluid ounces. What was that, guys? What was it? 24 times 3 is 7.2. Yeah, 6.2 is incorrect. 24 times 4, 24 tenths times 4 would be 20 times 4 would be 80, right? Plus 4 times 4 would be 16, so 9.6 grams. All right, and then how about times 5? 24 times 5 would be 100. Yeah, what was it? What was it, Tyler? 12 grams. Good job. It's probably easier on that last one just to add 2.4, isn't it? Isn't it fun to do a lot of your math in your head? When it's simple like that, that's okay. All right, find the amount of dietary fiber in 4 ounces of the soy milk. So this time, we just had determined that 8 fluid ounces, there was, again, we're reading the side of the carton here. There was 2.4 grams of fiber. How do we get from 8 to 4? What do we do? Divide by 2. So in 4 fluid ounces, we divide here by 2. We have to divide here by 2, right? Okay, so what was the answer for 4 fluid ounces? 1.2 grams. Good job. There it is right there. Okay, Kinsey? Okay, so what we're doing here with this, Kinsey, is we are looking at a label, right? So this is, you probably know how to do this. You just don't know how to write the math down. Because if you have ever created a recipe, have you made cookies before? You've never made cookies? Have you made spaghetti? Brownies? Any food at all? Banana bread. Did you ever double the banana bread? Did you make more banana bread than the recipe called for? Okay, so you did this. You took a recipe and you took all of the things, right? And you doubled all the things. Well, we're not creating a recipe here. What we're doing in this exercise is we're reading a nutritional label. You guys actually should all know how to read a nutritional label. It's really important. It's important to know how much protein you're getting, how much fat you're getting, what you're getting for vitamins and things like that. When you're older, you're probably going to pay attention to that. So in this exercise, in this problem, we're looking at the soy milk, which is bleh, but whatever. Let's pretend it's almond milk. And we can see that there's 2.4 grams of fiber in 8 ounces of soy milk. Well, we don't want to drink 8 ounces of soy milk because soy milk is gross. Okay, we only want to drink 4 ounces of soy milk. So we're going to have half of a serving. So the question that we've got in front of us is, how much dietary fiber is in half a serving, Kinsey? If there's 2.4 grams in 8 ounces, we want to drink half of that. How much fiber would be in that? 1.2, right? Is 1.2 half of 2.4? Yeah. Is 12 half of 24? Yes. So 12 tenths or 1.2 is half of 24 tenths or 2.4, right? Okay. That's all we're doing. It's pretty easy conceptually, right? It's just a little bit harder to maybe memorize the steps here, but this is what we're doing. Okay. So do you have this written down? Okay. All righty. I think it's time for lunch. Yes.
If you need to use a microwave, you can go to the lunch room, use the microwave, and then join us outside in the fast food eat. If you need to pick up a hot lunch, we do the same thing. The rest of us, we can just go out the front doors and recess.